What's going on, everyone? It's your boy, Moo Trades. How is everybody doing? It is Friday, April 5th, and we were calling it. We called it a little bit yesterday. So, huge sell-off. We've been waiting for a date like that, but we were just chopping. I was like, you know what? I'm tired of sitting here. Prices are likely going to come, take out the high of the day, and then might work their way back to the close of yesterday, maybe the lows of yesterday. We took those out and kept on running, kept on going. Now, we're really just a little bit sideways. Looks like we're getting a lot of support here. Maybe getting a attempt to go lower once again, but really right now, to me, we're kind of just in no man's land. We had some news come out right here an hour before market open, and that's what's leading to some craziness right now, but nothing too clear in terms of any trend or direction that we may be headed in. So we'll have to wait and see. We'll wait and see. Did anyone catch a nice move yesterday off that craziness to end the day? Anyone catch some nice short setups? But that's the volatility that we want. So let's see. I mean, could be a crazy Friday. Could be. All right. We're coming back to the highs. Maybe we'll test the high of the day, 52.24.5. But once again, I'm probably looking for a short setup somewhere around here, just as a failed breakout of this range that we got. But before we do that, we definitely just got to pay attention to our short-term channels. So let's pay attention to those. Payon, good morning. Good morning, man. How you doing, Payon? Payon, what's new with you? Oh, we had one leg up, two legs up to this area of clear resistance right around 52.17. Looks like we're getting rejected. But let's see how we react to the EMA. Do we have one more push up, or do we work back lower? All right, looks like we're having a push up. I don't know if it's sustainable, but we'll see. If we have a nice lower high right here, I might consider taking a setup. All right, so we got the lower high, but not a great signal bar. And we're very early in this potential range, but we got kind of a range within a range. We're looking at the overall trading range as a structure encompassing the whole day, but then also if we just pay attention to where this midline is, kind of just in another range at the top. But right now, because we're getting close to the middle of that top side, it's just not the greatest area to try to find a trade. But I want to see at least a new high of this leg up we made right after market open. So we had the leg up, we got the break. Let's see if we can take out this high at about 52.19. 52.19. Then we take that out. Might want to look for a nice little short, but maybe we'll go down before we even get up there. But we are getting a lot of volume to start off the day. So opposite of what happened yesterday. We ended the day yesterday, a lot of volatility. We're starting the day today with a lot of volatility. Let's look at the daily. So this is the daily chart. Massive, massive sell-off yesterday. Man, who knows what's going to happen now? Who knows what's going to happen? To me, maybe we're just in a wider range from about the end of February. So I'm really looking to get maybe down to 51.20, around that area, 5100. Let's see if we end up doing that at some point, but obviously very, 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 very early to to tell. Okay, so it looks like we got a resemblance of a lower high here. Excellent signal bar. Let's see if we get another lower high, then maybe can work back to the lows of the range. We'll see. We shall see. It's the name of the game. Just be patient. We'll have a setup come at some point, especially with the fact that we got a lot of volatility. We're bound to get some nice trades today. I hope so. I hope. Okay. And we're working lower as expected. Let's see how low we go. How low do we go? Okay. So it looks like this range is definitely holding up. Let's see if we do come and take out maybe this area right here, get down to 5200. That's a potential target I'm looking for. And then if we really want to keep going down, taking out this low. But I mean, we'll see, man. If we're in store for another down day and we do take out the official low of yesterday, whew, that sell-off might might just be time to continue that sell-off. All right, and as expected, we're getting down to this area of support, just the midline of the overall range, the low of the upper side of the range. I'm expecting a bounce somewhere here if we bounce, but once again, we just got to respect those short-term downtrends. We got the leg down, break, see if we test that low, see if we do it. But we don't quite get it. So really, if we're counting from this high, it was a second entry long. Now we're off to the races. But I was hoping for a clear break and test at the new low of this before we reversed, but sometimes these ranges are just so powerful where really just a slight break, maybe something like this. Thin leg down, break, new low is all we need. F Zen. Zen is in. Zen in. How you doing, Zen? Good morning, good morning. And off stream, I did end up passing one of the eval accounts that I was trading. So now we got 2 PAs going. So today we're only going to trade the PAs. Starting next week, we're going to slowly add some of the eval accounts. All right, here we go. Here we go. Where are we headed? You're meh? You're meh? What does that mean, Evzen? Why aren't you outstanding? Why aren't you doing amazing? Excellent this morning. All right, so we got a matching high of this initial move up after market open. Now we took it out. Where do we go? Where do we go? Try that short-term trend. Always. All right. Got a slight break of the move up. A little too macro on your dosage. Your dosage of what? Your dosage? What you talking about, FZen? What you talking about? Okay, let's see if we do get to the high of the day. That's what I'm looking for. 52.24. 52.24. This is the 10K tick chart, so clearly we can see we're just stacked up. We're stacked up. We're in a big range, and looks like we're having a little mini break out of the range, but if we do get to the high of day, then we might get something interesting. Oh, dosage of your scotch last night. FZen, man. Can't be having too much scotch before trading day. All right, so we got a nice lower high here. Let's see if that's enough. Let's see if that one lower high is enough to start working lower. Or do we get rejected at that EMA and get to the high of the day? All right, so potential first, second entry long if we break above this signal bar. I just don't like going high at the top of these ranges. And looks like the bars are a little bit sideways. So that's second entry long triggered. Let's see if it works out. Let's see if it works out at least to the high of days. But I'm looking for a short setup. I'm looking for a short right now, man. Oof. FZen, he's calling you out. Lofta's calling you out. He is calling you out. But you, man, you don't know what he was up to last night, man. Maybe there was a good reason for it. I mean, I rarely drink once in a while. I just feel like drinking affects me so much. I mean, not in that way, but the next day. Because if I do drink, I gotta drink a lot to feel it. I don't know why. Maybe genetics, but one drink ain't cutting it for me. I need to have multiple to feel anything, but then when you have multiple, you regret it. So, or at least I regret it. So I try to rarely drink. So this might have been that failed break I was looking for. Leg up, break, new high. Great signal bar. Oh, but that's true, yeah. I mean, Thursday is a big night to go out, especially for people in college. Man, I kind of wanted to take this short up here. Just happened so quickly. Maybe we can get a lower high. Let's get a lower high right here. All right, maybe we don't get a lower high just yet. Okay, but let's see. I don't know. It's possible we have a wider channel at play, wider uptrend. I'm still looking for shorts, but it's possible that we may have a wider channel at play. You needed to take the edge off the kid. Or the Sid. I don't know what edge you're talking about, but I believe you, man. I believe you. Alright, I'm gonna try to get in a short right here. Lower high. We're in the trading range. We didn't quite get below the EMA, but I like this trade. I really do. Nice strong bearish bar, lower high, leg up, break, new high. Only thing was, we didn't break below the EMA yet, so it's a little aggressive in that manner. But if we're looking for a short setup, this is the area to look for it. Can we get a strong push down here? Or did we ignore a potential wider channel up? I don't think so. I mean, I like this trade. Let's see if we can keep working down. Come on now. But yeah, now potential second entry long, but still, I'm not looking for longs up here. I mean, you could maybe start looking for a wider channel like this. That's the only, yeah, that's the only potential concern right there. So maybe we got trapped right there, unfortunately. And here we go. So yeah, potential spike and channel right there. Second entry long. Got us trapped. It's all good though. I in the moment wasn't really paying attention to a wider channel. I'm still thinking range. But Lawrence, we got trapped right there. We got trapped. But yeah, really the trade to take was this second entry long off this channel, third touch of the channel. Man. But yeah, that's the main thing. Going short with just a couple points to the EMA. No, but exactly, Lawrence. That's the nice thing about my new trading style is that even if I'm 50%, I'm still up on the day. I just gotta hone in on the great trades, and I'll be solid. Just sucks to start off the day with a losing trade, but it happens. It happens. But yeah, probably should have been paying attention to this as a wider channel. But I mean, if you look back, yeah, probably the main thing I should have been concerned about was going short into the EMA. Because it's hard to tell if there's a wider channel, but going short to the EMA like that, it's always a little risky. So let's see where we go now. Let's see. 50% and great. Half the girls, hey, 50% win rate, that's solid, man. If you only get rejected by 50% of the girls, hey, you have a high win rate. That's not bad. Not a bad win rate at all. Mr. Bill, good morning, good morning, good to see you. How's everything? How's everything with you, my man? Yeah, so it looks like we're still working up in this channel. Aces, I like to hear it. All right. Maybe we get a long setup. So if we get 2 legs down here, get another test at the EMA, might be a good time to look for long. Okay, so we're getting 1 leg down. I want to see 2 legs and a potential bounce off of that EMA. So yeah, looks like a spike. Channel right here. Where do we go? I want to see this leg down have a slight break, new low, before we think of taking a trade. So let's see if we get it. Hopefully we do. Okay, we got a first entry long. See if we get a second leg. Okay, so potential second entry long, potential bounce off of this channel, but looks like we might be headed down. I'm gonna get my order prepared. Guess we have a nice signal bar here, but I wanted something a little bit more enticing than that. So once again, got this leg working down, had a slight break. Now we took out that low, and we had a second entry long failure. So potential reversal setup right here. Yeah, could just be having a reversal right now. With a wider little channel like that. So actually, I'm gonna try to go short right here. Try to get in if I get filled. Looks like it's a strong move down. And it just was, yeah, spike, weak channel up, time to maybe reverse here. I don't want to chase it too much. If we come up to 52.24, I'm looking to get filled. But whenever we have these reversal setups that form quickly after the start of the move, they tend to run quickly down. Let's see if we can get filled. Okay, bouncing off the limit order. Okay, we're in this trade. It's gonna be, I'm putting my limit or my stop loss one tick above this signal bar. Man, did we get trapped again? Lawrence. God damn it. So, maybe shouldn't have taken that short. Fuck. And should have respected that uptrend. But man, usually when you see these failures quickly happen, especially after a nice signal bar, they tend to work out. But it's just tricky when you try to sneak in with a limit order after you already make a nice little move. Bend trend. It's not a recipe for success. So yeah, I mean, I gotta respect these nice little trends. As soon as you gain some confidence, I had a couple nice trades yesterday, made some money. As soon as you gain some confidence and you think this market's easy, you get punished. Maybe that's what happened, Lofta. I don't know. I don't know. I did something. I did something wrong. Overconfidence. But I generally don't like to even enter trades after any sort of scalp is already made. So here, we got the channel break, new high, or attempt at a new high. Let's see if now we work down. But yeah, so here's that push down. We were just early to it. That's that that's that move I wanted to see. We just jumped the gun. We jumped the gun, man. But also on volatile days like this, sometimes that just happens. Man. So a couple things I did there. First of all, I should have kept this trend channel up, knowing that it's valid. Second, once the trade went without us, I gotta just let it go. If it's coming back and filling us, there's a reason for that. It means there's a lot of momentum to the upside. I'm gonna extend this with this range right here. So it looks like we might be having something a little wider like that. But man, I know. That's what I was about to say. Lawrence, the 2 contracts is a lot of risk if you're gonna have an aggressive mindset, I should say. But we gotta just make it back. We gotta make it back. I don't know if we're gonna make it back today. My rule is 2 losses done for the day. So probably not gonna take any trades, but man, I was a little eager. I was a little too eager this morning to take a trade. So it looks like we bounced off the top side of this channel. We extend that. We clearly see that that is exactly where we bounced. So really hard to tell what exactly this market wants to do, what direction we want to go, especially on a Friday. But you know what? I got punished. Man. It happens. Okay, so we got a second entry short right here. We're getting stacked at that EMA. But once again, no clear direction of where this market wants to head. But looks like we may be trying to get back to the highs to officially test this high of day. So we gotta just wait. We gotta wait and see. Here we go, and we're moving quickly. We're moving quickly today. So if you're right on your trading, you're gonna be proven right quickly. If you're wrong, like we were a couple times, you're gonna get smacked up quickly too. Damn it. I'm pissed, man. I'm pissed. Pissed. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Getting to the new high. Couple more points. Now we're exactly matching that high. But it's going to be interesting to see what we end up doing. Like, I mean, you could definitely maybe draw some sort of wide channel like that, but to me it looks like overall the structure is a range. We got to just wait. We got to be patient. $14 points in profit, Lawrence. From where? From up here. I know. I mean, I was already in the short. I was in the short, man. But if I listened to every comment on here, I would be doing a million different things. And it's always easier after the fact to look back and say that. Oh, if I did this, I could have been 14 points of profit. If I did that, oh man, I would have been, man, if I bought back here, I would be even more in profit, bro. I could have bought back here and sold up here. I should have done that, but you can say a million different things. It's just dependent on how you act, not on how you could have acted. But honestly, the smart thing to do, like, I got 2 massive losses on the books today. I'm gonna call it a day. It's Friday. 2 losses. That's my rule. I'm done. So we'll be back. We'll be back on Monday. I don't know what I was thinking today. Jumping the gun. Too excited. So we'll catch you all next week. Peace out, guys. Have a great weekend. I'm gonna go punch myself for these mistakes. Not really, but I'm gonna go. I gotta go meditate. Peace out. Saturday. Well, it's not tomorrow. It's next week. Next week, Lafta.